Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on Huawei P30 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Here, we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert plastic upright tool and gently cut the adhesive. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, to remove the bracket and the shield, undo 10 screws on the board. Next, take out the board's main bracket, left bracket and fingerprint connector shield. Next, unplug the battery and fingerprint connectors. Next, take out the battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and pull them by the side tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the main flex by disconnecting from both ends and moving the battery protective tape to the left hand side. Next, disconnect the antenna head from the logic board and pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, to pull out the logic board, first disconnect the LCD plug and then take out the SIM tray. Next, gently lift the panel using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, apply heat and take out the earpiece, sensor flex and button flex from the body. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are few different screen types in the market. The most common is the original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame. But the repair job is a bit difficult and time consuming. Also, there are refurbished, used, aftermarket screens with the frame and without. Furthermore, the price difference between the frame and without the frame is not that big. I would recommend you go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the earpiece on the new screen frame. Next, place the sensor board. Next, place the button flex. Next, place and secure the logic board in the body. Next, secure the LCD plug and then insert the SIM tray. Next, place a charging port board on the body and then connect the antenna head to the logic board while placing the antenna. Next, secure the main flex by connecting from both ends and then paste the battery protective layer. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery plugs to the logic board. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering off the device. Once the testing has passed, next place the fingerprint shield and two brackets on the frame by securing 10 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.